much downhill as opposed to the hole where it's supposed to go out. Thank you. Sag, sag, sag. Sag here too. Sag. Sag. That's the dining area there. Let's go this way. Water, water, water. Yeah, pretty sure that's plywood under there. There was a piece of plywood here. I don't know. There is one in the corner. I don't know. I don't know. This is where the bad part is. It's already leaking. That's it. Nothing else to show you. Here. Alright. But as long as I'm up here, I'll show you down there. See. This thing. Anyway. Things left behind. Think about it. We're going to think about it. This is a disaster area here. That could be a nice room here, of course. Living space. And here is backyard. That'll be gone next garbage day. This will all be gone this garbage day, or this next garbage day. All that over there needs to get cleaned. A lot of time. I moved the table over. That thing's the heaviest thing I ever saw. This roof, not too bad. The gutters are definitely leaking and leaning right there. Right there. So they're garbage. And then here's the backyard. That's better than it was. Better than it was. Better than it was. This is where the cable comes in. No, it doesn't. We have the cable coming in from this corner here. See that wire against the fence? And then we just ran a cable down here. Got it inside the door. Okay. Everything's looking pretty good on the side here. A little normal, pretty normal. Let's see. Over here, very few things to pick up. A few things there. Few things. And there you go. Yep, all this stuff. Just hanging on to it just in case. Okay, there's a big ripple here in this thing. Yeah, big bubble here. I don't know what happened here. Weird. Very weird. There you go. There you go. There you go.